Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to chat with an AI on ThinkBuddy. So, when you open up ThinkBuddy, you'll come across the chat interface. It's pretty straightforward, kinda like ChatGPT, but with some extra features. You can ask your questions by typing them out. And hey, if you're not up for typing, just hit the record icon and ask away using your voice. And if you find yourself asking the same things over and over again when chatting with the AI, no worries. You can save those prompts and reuse them by clicking on the prompts icon and selecting your custom ones. Now, each chat with the AI can cover different topics and sometimes goes beyond just one message. So, click on the thread settings icon. In this tab, you can name your conversation, tweak how creative the AI gets, pick your LLM model, and add any specific instructions you need for that chat. Let's dive in. We'll type our questions, use a custom prompt to get an answer in a nice list format. Now, there's your answer. Copy it, make a new version if you're not feeling it, or ask the AI for more. Let's whip up a fresh set of answers. New answer, same prompt. Plus, you can check out older versions of answers if you need. And with the Ask AI button, keep the conversation going with your custom prompts. Or, type or talk like you normally would. So, why wait? Join the ThinkBuddy family now. Make your workday smoother and more enjoyable.